This is Aranet CO₂ and Temperature sensor. The sensor is designed to monitor carbon dioxide and temperature in harsh environments. The sensor operates wirelessly and is powered by a single AA battery that lasts up to 8 years. Use this sensor across various industries. In greenhouses, optimize CO₂ levels to maximize plant growth rates and increase yield. Indoors, maintain optimal CO₂ levels for human cognitive functions. Utilize readings to determine when adjustments in heating or ventilation are necessary to ensure a comfortable environment and minimize airborne pathogens, such as viruses. Like all Aranet Pro Series sensors, this sensor sends data to the Aranet base station and allows customized analysis via the Aranet cloud to align with business needs.